Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reconcile PayPal in Xero. This process involves connecting your PayPal account, matching transactions, and using Xero's powerful features to keep your books accurate and up to date. You will learn to streamline your financial management, ensuring every transaction is correctly categorized and accounted for. This helps maintain a clear financial picture for your business, saving you valuable time and effort each month. Connecting PayPal to Xero is a straightforward process. First, go to the Bank Accounts section within Xero and select the option to add a new account. From the list of financial institutions, choose PayPal. You will then be securely redirected to PayPal's website to authorize the connection, ensuring your data remains safe. Finally, specify the starting date for importing your transactions, typically going back 90 days or more, to ensure a complete financial record. Once your PayPal transactions are imported, navigate to the Reconcile tab in Xero. Here, you will match payments received to your sales invoices and payments made to your bills. For recurring items, like PayPal fees or common expenses, create bank rules to automate the matching process, saving significant time. For more complex scenarios, such as multiple transactions or partial payments, utilize the Find and Match feature to accurately reconcile your accounts with 100% accuracy. Effectively handling PayPal fees is crucial. Categorize them as a distinct expense in Xero for clear financial reporting. When transferring funds between PayPal and your bank account, ensure these movements are accurately reconciled as internal transfers, not income or expenses. If discrepancies arise, meticulously compare your Xero records with your PayPal statements to pinpoint any differences. For advanced challenges, remember that Xero offers comprehensive support resources to assist you with complex reconciliation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.